Hello, I am Deepali Jagtap and today I will tell you the uniform costing and the advantages of the uniform costing. Uniform costing is a body of the principle and accounting method which when adopted the accounting system of a firm enable obtaining cost and accounting figure by individual undertaking within an industry which will be fully comparable. Now I will tell you the definition of uniform costing. ICMA London define as a uniform costing as the use by several undertaking of the same accounting cost accounting system, that is the same basic costing method principles and technique. Now I will start to tell you the advantages of uniform costing. First advantage is facilitate the negotiation with government agencies. It helps trade association in negotiation with the government in a trade matter. Second one is a facilitate the price fixation. Uniform costing is a great help in price fixation. Third one is a help government in regulating the price of a production. It helps the government in regulating the price of essential and important items such as a bread, flour, sugar, cement and steel, etc. Fourth one is a useful for the management control. It is a useful for the management control. Performance of an individual unit can be measured against norms set from the industry as a whole. Fifth one is a healthy competition. It avoid a cutthroat competition by ensuring the competition among the member units proceed on the healthy lines. And next one is a locating weak spots. Um, Comparison help in locating weak spots. The and the remedial actions taken while is necessary. And seventh one is the stability. Weaker member can take advantages of the efficient method of the production and production control of the better managed unit so as to increase their own efficiency. And and the next one is the cost consciousness. Uniform costing create a consciousness by showing the best way of doing the things. And the next one is the presentation of information. When the government desire to obtain the data for ensuring efficient price control, the uniform costing enables furnishing suitable data immediately. And the next one is the economy. Research and development on the large scale is possible only in a big companies. The benefit of research and development can be passed on to smaller units, leading to economy in the industry as a whole. And the last one is a computerized accounting system is a possible. Uniform costing make it easier to computerize the accounting system of a various organization due to the similar cost classification and report layout. Thank you.